Happy birthday, Kuya Dong. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at pagpalain ka pa ng aking poong may kapal. Pahabain ng iyong buhay dahil marami ka pang matutulungan at ang katulad mo ay napakahirap hanapin sa mundong ito dahil napakabuti mong tao. Kaya mapalad ako, ako'y napabilang sa mga kabrad mo at kaibigan, kapatid. Napakaswerte namin at mayroon kaming kaibigan, kapatid na Donggatan. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Mabuhay ka, Tol. Hanggat gusto mo. Love you. Happy birthday. Pinakamamahal kong Kuya Dong, happy birthday. Sana humaba pa yung buhay nyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Miss na namin kayo. I hope na ngayong birthday mo ay magiging masaya ka. I miss you and may God bless you always. I love you, brother.
Kaka, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dong!
So, Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Tuloy-tuloy lang, Kaka, and we back you up with our prayers. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito Dodong.
Hi,
Happy
Tito
birthday.
Dodong. Happy birthday.
We love you.
We love you.
Hope to see you
Hope
soon.
to see you soon.
Love you, Kaka.
Love you, Kaka. That's me.
Sana maayos na natin lahat.
Opo.
Love you so much.
I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Dong. Hinahangad ko ang panibagong taon na puno ng blessings para sa iyo at sa iyong mga minamahal. I wish you good health, happiness, and prosperity. See you soonest, our dearest brother. We love and miss you.
Happy birthday, Dongski. Wagi bako lakay itanga na. Papasalamat itata Diyos to inabutan tapagayuwe 2024. It almost a years to aranong na napasiringang ta familia tang o ta Clark. Hopefully, 2024, magpasingak kaga pa. Yari lang, happy birthday. I love you and miss you.